Philippine Old Medal, mga idol.
I forgot Oliver's waiting for me. Oh no!
Alfonso.
I'm late. Oliver is already asleep. This is such a yummy ice cream. Diana, come to eat ice cream with me.
Ayan, may sumigaw pa na bata, mga idol. Ayan. Ito, ayan, 1923. Malabo. Ito malaki.
Where's my ice cream?
Ang ganda.
Oopsie, you came too late. It was melted. I'm
Oh.
late again. No worries. Let's make a new one.
Ferdinand Imelda Marcos. Maliit siya.
Wow!
Ayan, ito. Ang ganda, mga idol.
Yeah. Let's put it in the fridge.
Ayan, ganda.
Ready? Wow.
Ito, iba rin.
Yummy, yummy.
Boy Scout.
Diana.
Ito, iba rin.
Huh? Wait a minute.
Iba-ibang mga medal, mga idol. Yan.
Yay! This was fun.
Ito,
Guys,
Manila Medal.
let's go eat.
Yan.
Pizza!
1907.
So yummy!
Yan pa tayo dito, mga idol. Malabo. Plastic. Yan.
I'm late again.
Mga old medal. Ito.
Hello. Oopsie.
Yana is late again.
I'm late all the time. What should I do? I have an idea.
Ito, mga idol. Rizal Medal.
We have a gift for you.
Wow! It's a clock!
1961. Yan.
I'll never be late anymore.
May tatak nito, LO. Dahil mga idol. Oh.
Yay!